Sunday, the 5th of November, Bishop Dan Zoreka of the Diocese of Chinchizi gave thanks to the Lord for the 13 years he has so far been in service. All the funds collected during this service were dedicated to roofing St. Peter's Cathedral, Nyakatare. During the service, Dr Chris Baryomunsi, the Minister for ICT and National Guidance, made a generous offer to provide iron sheets for the entire church's roofing, a remarkable gesture that was met with applause from the congregation.
Ezo milioni 5 nimwija kuzikozesa kugura emisumari. Then ninyenda kubashaba ngo mushakazi obumuronzire ababalire rero mungambire amabati gona agali kwetagwa kanisa nyowe na family nitwija kugaronda tugabahereze imwe mungambire nimwenda karachi gejeha zedi mungambire nyowe abo kubasima nayo kusima ruhanga no kusherekereza bishop ambati gona agali kwetengwa akanisa nizabugabahereza.
Mukama simwe katusime MP kandi minister ahabwe bigambo birunje byatugambira.
Shortly after Dr. Chris Baryomunsi's announcement, Bishop Dan Zoreka came out to clarify the situation, and his statement aimed to ensure transparency and gratitude for the existing contribution of Dr. James Musinguzi Garuga and not to bring any confusion after the service.
Minister nitukusima kandi aho nyenda nkumanyise nshikiriya linga abantu batija kushitwara mukubi amabati esetezi watugambira z'amabati noza kuzitwongerera tukole kindi konka amabati go tugeine. Yes, gayikiraha actually gakija sande hweire kole kati ntwenda gura ebyoma nibigure sete nyingi byo kutahiguraha hamwe no munara abwo kube byoma babiri babibara shiringi nka miliyoni 500 na batorede amabati gona gayishiraha n'emisimari umwe nantashikiriya lingira abantu mutandika kugambe bitari byo ninja mwachetegereza. So honorable minister ni checho.
Dr. Chris Baryomunsi came back and made a generous contribution of 20 million Uganda shillings in cash.
Bishop nataka chimanyire ngumwina mabati mwero mugeine abo kwanyoye inenjero yindi kubona amabati mwero mugeine n'ikintu kimutero mu ngaro naza na nabahere miliyoni 5 mwero no musigazi wakuzo mu motoka ondetereyo chikapa chireka atiya niza kubongeraho miliyoni 15 mbeno zike 20 nanabahire miliyoni 5 zo mucyara yabahire eziri miliyoni 15 okwisya miliyoni 2. Thank you very much.
The bishop has, on the other hand, come out and clarified the matter following a media report from a certain media house stating on the contrary that the church rejected the iron sheets from Dr. Chris Baryomunsi, which was very false.
On Sunday, 5th November, I was giving thanks for the 13 years of episcopal ministry since my enthronement and consecration on 10th October 2010. Many people were invited to the function, including our political leaders, where Honorable Minister Baryomunsi attended the service, including other bishops, the Bishop of North Kigezi, Bishop Nesmas Asimwe, the retired Bishop of Kigezi, Bishop George Engineer Wagamuhunda, and many other dignified people from Chinchizi, from Kanungu and Uganda. During the service, Honorable Baryomunsi, because the service was aimed at giving thanks and realize money for re-roofing the cathedral, he attended the service and generously offered to give us iron sheets, but was told that iron sheets were already bought which is true, and they were already there. He is the same person who stood up and said, okay, since iron sheets are already bought, then I pledge and give 20 million. I stood up and appreciated his donation, his offer, and everyone was present. Thank you. We need to live together in harmony and peace in our nation for God and my country. Thank you very much.